We're happy to share a tour of an AquaClass Infinite Verandah onboard Celebrity Apex, coming up on Talking Cruise. Celebrity Apex, the second Edge-class vessel, is quite similar to her namesake sister. In fact, the ships are nearly identical, including most onboard venues and all of the stateroom and suite categories. On my voyage, I was assigned into a Category A2 AquaClass Infinite Verandah number 10259, located on Deck 10, portside aft. If you're not familiar with the AquaClass category on Celebrity Cruises, they are considered a wellness category, offering several exclusive perks like complimentary access to the spa's thermal suite and my personal favorite benefit of breakfast and dinner at Blue Restaurant. Blue has a specialty dining vibe with elevated menu offerings, beautiful decor, and attentive service. Additional AquaClass perks include mattress and pillow menus, daily in-room bottled water service, a complimentary fitness pass, and even a yoga mat. These rooms are approximately 200 square feet with an additional 40 square feet dedicated to the Infinite Verandah, which I will highlight in a moment. The rooms are bright with a neutral color palette and contemporary styling throughout. You'll find a very comfortable king-size bed that can be split into two singles if preferred, with lamps on each side and two USB ports, standard power outlet, and a light switch on one side only. There's also a chaise lounge style sofa, several cubbies for storage, and small factor closet with enough space for a few hanging clothes, drawers, mini safe, and a full-length mirror. The desk console opposite the sofa features 3 large drawers, mini fridge, and a cool charging station with 2 standard and 1 European outlet and 2 USB outlets. The large flat-screen TV gives you access to your onboard accounts, a great assortment of live TV, and free movies on demand, plus a feature to allow you to stream content from your Android or Apple device. The room also features a lighting and temperature control panel, giving you programmable options for day and night preferences, plus power-operated blinds control. The bathroom, located right at the entrance, was a real treat. The floor and shower walls are covered in faux marble, which gives you a feeling of elegance, and the same light wood is carried through from the living area. By cruise ship standards, the bathroom was above average size and featured a large sink, vanity, and wall storage, and a very large glass-enclosed shower. As I mentioned earlier, this room has an infinite veranda instead of a traditional balcony. On the positive side, the room appears much larger since none of the space is outside. With the top section of the floor-to-ceiling window open, you sort of get the feeling of a balcony, but even with the set of partitions closed, you'll likely not have the window open too long before the ambient room temperature is negatively affected. The opaque screens are a nice touch, and the power blinds can completely black out the room if you like. In line with my previous accommodations on board Celebrity Cruises ships, this room provided a comfortable space to unwind, sleep, and refresh, but I would likely opt for a traditional balcony for my next cruise. Thank you for watching this room tour. Don't forget to like this video, turn notifications on, post your comments and questions, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.